Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Time to go over the CVS must-do deals for next week. I'm going to show you how you can grab over $125 worth of products, including diapers. We have some paper deals. We also have some laundry deals for just $27. I also, at the end, am continuing to do the beginner-friendly transactions and show you how you can roll your extra bucks to keep your out-of-pocket super low. All of that, of course, is explained in my new CVS couponing ebook. I will have that linked below in the description box. Starting on Easter Sunday, I am going to be... So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, take a second and subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the couponing family, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new deals that you can do or giveaways that you can participate in. Later in this video, I'm going to be announcing the 2 winners of the giveaway for the different Easter baskets. The boys' Easter basket and the girls' Easter basket. So stay tuned for that as well. Couple updates. I did get my computer back. My brother was able to fix it and just in essence turn off the touchscreen for me because it was on the fritz, freaking out the other day. So he was able to fix it, thank God. So I did do my how to make media kits video that is on my new channel. In that video, I'm doing another giveaway to win a $25 gift card. So if you're not subscribed to that channel yet and you haven't checked it out, it's Brienne Beauvais. It's just my name. I'd love to have you. That channel is all about YouTube, how to make money on social media, how to grow your Instagram, all of that fun stuff is all over on that channel. It's also linked below in the Bet on Yourself playlist. I've added all the videos that I've done so far on that playlist as well, so definitely check that out. Now let's get into our coupon inserts. We are not getting any coupon inserts on Sunday because of Easter Sunday. I put 4-3, I mean 4-4. So we're not getting anything. BQ still has the April PG inserts available if you need to purchase any of those or any previous inserts. She still does have them up on her website. So my link is in the description box if you need to purchase any. Or you can always purchase individual coupons one at a time from thecouponmarketplace.com. So if there's only a couple coupons from previous inserts that you want, you can purchase it there. They're about 15 to 20 cents per coupon and shipping is $1. So pretty inexpensive way, so you can get a lot of savings that way. The first deal I want to jump into is on Babu toilet paper. Now, I don't know the exact cost of the toilet paper because they don't have it in my region, but it's going to wind up being free anyways if you have the CRT. A lot of you guys have been getting the CRT, which is awesome. So next week, it's buy one, get one free. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. So grabbing 2 of them, whatever the cost is, then if you use a buy one, get one free CRT, they'll zero out. You'll wind up paying nothing out of pocket, but you're still going to get back the $2 extra buck, making them both completely free and a $2 moneymaker. I have heard some mixed reviews about them. Some people like them and they think it's an okay toilet paper. Some people say it's like sandpaper. So let me know in the comments what you think of it. I'm hoping they get it in my region soon. Last week I got a CRT for buy 2, get one free. So not sure how that would play out, but I can't even give it a shot because there's none in my region. So hopefully that'll come soon. Just the basics. The current week is the same deal, but they were completely sold out. So the 24 packs are going to be just $2.99 next week. And if you have the $1.50 off CRT, that's going to make it 50% off at just $1.49, which is an incredible deal. A lot of you wanted a little bit more food deals, water deals, soda deals, things like that, just to kind of switch it up from the typical everyday hair care, razor deals, makeup deals, things like that. So I've been trying to add more of those deals in like my Ibotta haul videos and anything I'm finding at CVS or Walgreens. So let me know if that's what you're still kind of looking for or if there's any deals in particular that you guys are looking to save on. So I can kind of see if those deals are out there and I can add them in my videos for you guys. Clairol hair care. There were amazing deals on Ibotta. The rebates are gone though now, unfortunately. So if you weren't able to stock up, this is still going to be a great deal. And this is not using any CRTs. I personally have never gotten a hair color CRT before, but I know they do float around. So of course, if you do have a hair color CRT, that'll make it even better. They are any Clairol hair color, buy two, get a $4 extra back. So if you grab the Nice and Easy, they're $7.99 each. Use the buy one, get one free digital coupon. Max value it takes off is $7.99. You'll pay $7.99 just for one of them. Get back a $4 extra buck, making it $3.99 for both or $1.99 each. So definitely still a great deal on some hair color. If you want to mix and match, buy one of the Nice and Easy and one of the Root Touch Up. That way you kind of have both. Of course, you can do that as well. Okay, Huggies. For the Huggies, pull-ups, goodnights, and little swimmers, they are buy one, get one half off, and spend $30, get a $10 extra back. So this is the deal I put together. You can get 4 of the Huggies pull-ups that are $12.99. 2 of them are going to be half off at $6.49. That'll bring you to $38.97. Then there are $2 Huggies coupons in our 3.7 Smart Source and $2 Huggies coupons in our 3.14 Smart Source. You can also go on Huggies.com and sign up for their email list, and you'll be able to print coupons that way as well. If you have a 2 off of 2 Huggies CRT, definitely add that in. And if you have 2 different 3 off of 15 Huggies CRTs or diaper CRTs, you can use both of them because that'll be $30 worth and we're at $38.97. So no worries on that. You'll pay $22.97, get back a $10 extra back, making it $12.97 for 4 or $3.24 each. So definitely still an amazing deal. That's about 75% off of each bag. And that's still a way cheaper deal than if you were to grab it at Walmart. So if you need some diapers, you can definitely stock up next week. Soft soap. So this deal I would only recommend doing when you have a couple things. Some CVS's accept expired manufacturer coupons. Some don't. So you just have to see. Also, I would only do this deal if you have a 2 off of 8 or 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. If you don't have both of those things, I would not do this deal because it's not going to be a good deal. So the way the deal is, it's buy one, get one half off, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, limit of 3. So if you grab 2 of them, that'll bring you to $10.48. Use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons. The 2 off 2 soft soap CRT, I do actually have that one. And then a 2 off 8 body wash CRT. You'll pay $4.48, get back a $2 extra buck, making it $2.48 for both or $1.24 each, which is not a bad deal because those big soft soap body washes are like 20 ounces and they last a really long time. So that is the only way that I would do this deal. L'Oreal facial care is spend $30, get a $10 extra buck, limit of 1. So what I would do is grab an Age Perfect moisturizer. I've used some in the past and I actually really like it. I have I believe it's called an Age Perfect cleanser as well that I'm actually using right now, intermittently with my cleanser from the FabFitFun box. Both of them I totally love. So what I would do is grab an Age Perfect moisturizer at $21.49 and 2 of the Ideal Clean wipes or cleansers. They're $4.39 each. That'll put you right over the top at $30.27. The current week, make sure you go to the red box. We got a couple instant coupons and mystery coupons. For me, I got a $3 off any L'Oreal cosmetic or facial care mystery coupon. Then I have a $6 Age Perfect CRT and a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal facial care CRT. Again, if you have 2 of them, you can definitely use 2 and that would make it a small moneymaker. Even without 2 of the 5 off 15, you'll pay $16.27, get back a $10 extra buck, and a $3 beauty buck because you're spending in just this one deal alone over $30 in beauty products. That makes your final cost $3.27 for 3 of them or $1.12 each. And you can always pay with extra bucks as well if you want to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. Dove hair care, not the best deal, but I still wanted to throw it in there for you in case you're needing some. Any Dove women's is buy two, get a $3 extra buck, limit of one. So grabbing two of them, they're $5.19 at my store. That'll be $10.38. Use the 2 off 2 Dove hair care coupon from our $3.28 save insert. You'll pay $8.38, get back a $3 extra buck, making them $2.69 each. So by far, we've gotten better deals in the past. What you could also do if you have a hair care CRT, maybe add together a couple hair care deals and be able to use that savings as well to, of course, make it cheaper per item that you're grabbing. And before we get into the transaction examples, it's time to announce the two winners of the Easter baskets from my video I posted on Wednesday. Thank you for everyone who participated and checked out that video. I loved reading all of your comments about the different things you guys like to do and look forward to on Easter. Definitely looking forward to a nice little Easter egg hunt with the family. So let's get into these two winners. So the first winner is Gracella Lins. Congratulations. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name at all. You won the boys' Easter basket. The second winner is going to be Gina Galpin. Congratulations as well. You won the girls' Easter basket. So go ahead, both of you, send me an email to briecouponqueen@gmail.com. That way I can send that Easter basket in the mail for you. So make sure you send me your full name and your address so I can get that sent as soon as possible. Thank you guys to everyone who participated. Now let's get into the transaction examples for you and show you how you can save, especially if you are a beginner at CVS. And here are some transaction examples. So transaction one, what I would do is do the babu, is that how you say it? Babu deal? I don't know. And the L'Oreal facial care deal. So total for that would be $38.26. Then all the coupons and CRTs I listed in the video would be $21.99. You'll be left to pay $16.27 plus tax. Then you're going to get back a $10 extra buck and a $2 extra buck. Now, typically I incorporate Flu's gift cards. Flu's right now does not have CVS gift cards available. They are going back and forth with CVS so they can increase the amount of cash back that we can get, because CVS is a very high purchased gift card on Flu's. So just a heads up on that. I spoke with the rep earlier today. She doesn't have a date of when it's exactly going to be put back up, but it's definitely a high priority for them because they know that CVS is a really big item. So they want to make sure they can get that back as soon as possible. When they do, I will post it. I'll talk about it and I'll let you guys know. But for the time being, this is still how you would be able to save a lot of money at CVS, even without Flu's. So then rolling into transaction two, you can do the Just the Basics water for $2.99 and 4 of the Huggies for $38.27. Total for this is $41.26. The coupons and CRTs is $17.50. You'll pay $23.76 plus taxes, but you're going to hand them the $10 extra buck and the $2 extra buck from your first transaction. Now you're only going to pay $11.76 plus taxes out of pocket. And you're going to get back another $10 extra buck from the Huggies deal. So to go over everything, the total for the products just for these two transactions is over $71 plus taxes. But you're only paying $28.03 plus taxes out of pocket, which is less than the entire Huggies deal alone, which is amazing. So for 10 products, including 4 bags of diapers, your final cost is $2.80 each. So that is an example on how you can roll your extra bucks and really put together the transactions. Just do a couple deals at a time. That way you can save a ton of money when you're couponing, especially if you're just a beginner and you have no extra bucks to start with. I typically only have maybe $15 to $20 in extra bucks each week that I roll. Keep in mind, you're going to be getting back a $3 beauty buck as well, but that'll hit your account 48 hours after you check out, so you wouldn't be able to roll that into your second transaction. But you could roll that into your transaction later that week or the following week. And then again, that's even more savings. So that's why I love couponing at CVS. It's easy once you get the hang of it. And if you do have any questions or you're just starting out and you really want all the answers in one place, definitely check out my couponing ebook. It is listed below in the description box for you to purchase. It's 29 pages. It goes over how to coupon, how to read coupons, where to get coupons, goes over CRTs, it goes over extra bucks, beauty bucks, the app, digital coupons, you name it. Everything you need to know so you can start saving a ton of money at CVS. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video if you appreciate the deals that I showed and if you like for me to continue the transaction examples for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.